Imagine a superhighway inside your body, a bustling network where information travels at incredible speeds. It's a network of roads carrying messages at lightning speed, ensuring every part of you stays connected. This is your nervous system, a marvel of biological engineering. It's how your brain talks to every part of you, sending signals that control everything you do. It's how you feel, move, and even think. Every sensation, every action, every thought is managed by this intricate system. This amazing system has two main parts. Each part plays a crucial role in keeping you functioning. First, there's the central nervous system, the control center. It's the command hub of your body. Think of it as the brain and the spinal cord, like the main office, where all major decisions are made. Second, there's the peripheral nervous system, the messenger network. It extends throughout your body. It carries signals from the brain to the rest of the body, like messengers going to different cities, ensuring every part gets the right instructions. This complex network is always working, tirelessly sending and receiving messages. It tells your muscles to move when you want to walk, coordinating your actions seamlessly. It tells you when you touch something hot, so you can pull away instantly, protecting you from harm. It even controls things you don't think about, like breathing and your heartbeat, keeping you alive without conscious effort. Without your nervous system, your body wouldn't know what to do. It would be like a city without communication. It's the ultimate communication network, always working to keep you going, ensuring you can live, react, and thrive. Let's take a closer look at the two parts of the nervous system. The nervous system is a complex network that coordinates our actions and sensory information by transmitting signals to and from different parts of the body. The central nervous system, or CNS, is the boss. It consists of the brain and spinal cord, which are the main control centers for processing information. It receives information from the outside world through our senses, such as touch, sight, smell, taste, and hearing. Then, it processes this information and makes decisions on how to respond. This could be anything from moving your hand away from a hot surface to solving a complex puzzle. The brain, the main command center, handles thinking, learning, and memory. It is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. The spinal cord is like a highway, carrying messages between the brain and the body. It plays a crucial role in reflex actions and transmitting signals. It's a crucial link that keeps everything connected, ensuring that the brain can communicate with the rest of the body efficiently. Now, let's meet the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. This part of the nervous system extends beyond the brain and spinal cord. This network of nerves extends from the CNS to the rest of the body, reaching out to limbs and organs. Think of the PNS as a messenger system. It carries signals from the brain to the muscles, telling them to move, and brings sensory information back to the brain. It carries signals from the brain to the muscles, telling them to move. This allows us to perform voluntary actions like running, lifting weights, or even typing on a keyboard. It also carries signals from the senses back to the brain, letting you feel the world around you. This includes sensations like touch, temperature, and pain. The PNS is divided into two parts, the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Each has its own specific functions. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements, like waving your hand, kicking a ball, or playing sports. The autonomic nervous system, on the other hand, controls involuntary actions like breathing, digestion, and your heartbeat. These are functions that happen without conscious effort. It works automatically, keeping your body running smoothly without you even thinking about it. This ensures that essential processes like heart rate, respiratory rate, and digestion are maintained efficiently. Have you ever wondered how messages travel so quickly through your nervous system? It's all thanks to special cells called neurons. Neurons are like tiny messengers that carry electrical signals. These signals are called nerve impulses. Think of a neuron as a long, thin wire with a protective coating called myelin. Myelin acts like insulation on an electrical wire, helping the signals travel faster. The signal jumps from one gap in the myelin, called a node of Ranvier, to the next. This process is called saltatory conduction. Imagine a frog hopping from one lily pad to another. That's similar to how nerve impulses travel quickly down the neuron. Saltatory conduction is important because it allows for rapid communication between the brain and the body. Without it, our reflexes would be much slower, and we wouldn't be able to react to our environment as efficiently. Section 4. Reflexes, our body's autopilot. Sometimes our body needs to react very quickly, even before we have time to think. That's where reflexes come in. Reflexes are automatic responses to stimuli. They're like shortcuts in the nervous system, allowing us to react quickly to danger or unexpected situations. Imagine you touch a hot stove. Your hand automatically pulls away before you even feel the pain. That's a reflex. The signal travels from your hand to your spinal cord and then back to your muscles, telling them to contract and pull your hand away. Another example is blinking. When something comes close to your eye, you blink automatically to protect it. This reflex helps prevent dust and other particles from getting into your eye and causing irritation. Reflexes are essential for our survival. They help us avoid danger and protect our bodies from harm. Section 5. The cerebellum, our balance center. Deep inside your brain, there's a special part called the cerebellum. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure all the movements of your body are smooth and coordinated. The cerebellum plays a vital role in balance, posture, and motor control. Have you ever wondered how dancers can move so gracefully or how athletes can perform complex maneuvers with precision? It's partly thanks to their cerebellum. This remarkable part of the brain helps us maintain our balance while walking, running, and even standing still. The cerebellum also plays a crucial role in learning new motor skills. When you're learning to ride a bike or play a musical instrument, your cerebellum is hard at work, fine-tuning your movements and helping you improve. It's the part of the brain that allows us to perform complex tasks with ease and grace. Section 6. The amazing adaptable brain. One of the most remarkable things about the nervous system is its ability to change and adapt over time. This dynamic capability is what makes the brain one of the most fascinating organs in the human body. This ability is called neuroplasticity. It means that our brains are not fixed or static, but are constantly rewiring themselves in response to new experiences and learning. Every time we encounter something new, our brain's structure and function can change. Neuroplasticity is what allows us to learn new things, recover from injuries, and adapt to new environments. It is the foundation of our ability to grow intellectually and emotionally throughout our lives. When we learn something new, like a new language or a new skill, our brain forms new connections between neurons. These new connections are like pathways that become stronger the more we use them. This strengthens the pathways involved in that particular activity. The more we practice, the more efficient these pathways become, making the activity easier over time. Neuroplasticity also plays a vital role in recovery from brain injuries. It provides hope and potential for rehabilitation, even in cases where damage seems extensive. If one part of the brain is damaged, other areas can sometimes compensate and take over some of the lost functions. This remarkable ability can lead to significant recovery, even after severe injuries. This is why stroke survivors, for example, can sometimes regain some of their lost abilities through therapy and rehabilitation. The brain's adaptability allows for new pathways to be formed, aiding in the recovery process. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about neuroplasticity and its implications for treating neurological disorders. Research in this field is opening up new possibilities for therapies and interventions. There's still much we don't know, but one thing is clear. Our brains are incredibly adaptable and resilient. This adaptability is a testament to the brain's complexity and its ability to overcome challenges, making it a subject of endless fascination and study. Section 7. The nervous system, a marvel of nature. The nervous system is a true marvel of nature. It's a complex and intricate network that allows us to experience the world around us, move our bodies with precision, and think, learn, and feel emotions. From the simplest reflexes to the most complex cognitive functions, our nervous system is constantly at work, orchestrating every aspect of our being. Understanding how the nervous system works is essential for appreciating the incredible capabilities of the human body. By learning about its different parts, how signals travel throughout the body, and its amazing ability to adapt and change, we gain a deeper respect for this remarkable system that makes us who we are. So the next time you move, feel, or think, take a moment to appreciate the incredible network of nerves that makes it all possible. It's a true testament to the power and complexity of the human body.